Alright, so I got one of these with an extension. That's a 10 millimeter. Let's start getting some of these guys out of here. That's all empty now. Let's give this thing a spritz, shall we? Yeah, that thing with all the plugs. Let's go ahead and grab it. A little canister of electronic cleaner. There you go. Now let's clean out the plugs. There you go. Give all these plugs a little love so that when I put it back, I don't have to worry about it again. I'll know that everything is nice and cleaned out. It's like some super alcohol. That's what it is. It's not even as smelly, as strong as alcohol. Alright, so cruise control. Thank you for staying over here somewhere. Excellent. That's way out of the way. Perfect. Next, power steering. This is going to be interesting. All right. Oh boy. Okay. I'm going to have to unplug. Oh crap. Alright, so I'm going to have to unhook those. Am I? Yeah, because I got to get this. Yes, I got to get this thing out. That thing right in there. Whatever. That engine mount right down there. So this guy might need to be disattached from those two hoses. And those are the power steering hoses, so I'm going to have to seal those somehow so that they don't leak all over the car. That's what I'll have to do. Okay, I'll be back once I figure this part out. Alright, so here's the idea. I'm going to get these plastics and I'm going to zip tie them over the hoses once I remove them. Let's get you over. Once I remove those hoses, let's just say these hoses that are connected over there, I'm going to put these plastics on them with a zip tie so that they don't leak as much. Let's see what happens. So let's get this clamp out. What is going on here with these weird clamps? There we go. It's coming out. It's got a weird... Oh, come on now. Okay, so I think we're getting there, sort of. I might need to use different ones. How about we try these? Oh yeah, much better. I had the wrong ones. At least for that job. Okay, so we are going to need to. I'm gonna move these. I know where they go. Put those right here for now. This should do the job. Got plenty of these. If I just wrap it, you know. Let's see. Let's hope. Otherwise, it's gonna make a darn mess. Let's try to avoid that. Uh-oh. Still, there's more metal right here. There you go. Can't tell me there's metal there. Okay, so. Okay. Sure this is closed. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Get this all ready. Get that all ready. Let's see here. It's so awkward. Come on, bro. You are almost there. This thing is just stabbing me. You know, what am I doing? I literally have tools for exactly this, and I'm not using them. That's what I get. There you go. These are hose clamps. And they're exactly for that exact thing that I'm doing with my hands. Stabbing myself. Okay, so basically hold on to this. Wow, that is just a lot of plastic or hose on that metal there. Boy, I don't know how well this is coming out, but there it is. We got it. Okay, let's not make a mess. There we go. There we go. And as I suspected, steering fluid. Okay, so what I want to do, if I can do it, is zip tie this, which I can cut later. Come on, idea. Work. Please work. I'll move this down like that so that it's got a little room there. Please work. Give me this. Maybe that'll help. Come on. Yes. Yes. Hey. All right. That is acceptable. There you go. That is acceptable to me. As long as it doesn't drip aroni all over the place, we should be good to go. That's cool. I'll take it. Yay. Right on. Moving on. Okay, I got UPS coming. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. All right, so we got this guy. I'm going to put some more bag on this because this is literally connected to the power steering stuff. We've got this guy. I think I'm going to stop right here because I got to get some other things done today that are on the docket. Don't worry, for you it'll be a couple seconds. For me it'll be the rest of the evening until I get back tomorrow to continue to work on this. I will cover this guy up first. Let's not get lazy. We're going to cover this guy up since none of those are unclamped yet. I'm going to cover that guy up just like I did that guy over there in the back. And we're going to call it for today. So far, we've made some pretty good progress without breaking anything. That's the key factor here. Nothing broke. No bolt snapped. No little pin or whatever these little things are, clips, broke. So, great. The alternator's the way it is. It's not going anywhere. I did discover that we needed to clean out some of these plugs. So, great. We got them all cleaned up. And those plugs down there too. And we'll be back, or I'll be back in a few seconds. How's that? Rock and roll. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this before I take off. I said I was going to be gone in a few seconds, but then I realized, oh yeah, I gotta do this first. Then I can go. Okay, so this is the same thing I did with the other one. That way there's no chance of it leaking power steering fluid anywhere. There we go. That should do. I mean, it's not leaking anything or whatever, but once I start moving it like that, there you go. It shouldn't leak anything. Actually, I don't need to do the other one. All right. I don't need to take out the big one because it's fine. That's all I needed to do was this guy and this guy out of the way. This is like a hard, I don't know, metal too. So now, tomorrow, for you in a couple seconds, but for me tomorrow, I take out the engine mount. Then I will get this guy fine-tuned down there so that I can move that gear to top dead center. Then I can start taking out this timing belt cover and also this, which I hear is no fun, and also have seen on many, many videos before I even attempted to do this. But let's see what happens. See you guys in a little bit.